am the vicar of Belching by the sea. Yes, I am the vicar of this community. These are my children, they are all my family, and I am their father, well, not quite literally. Oh, hallelujah, hallelujah. There was a widow who came to join my flock, weighed 16 stone, and her face would stop a clock. The poor old soul was tragic, and I knew she was in need, and every day at tea time always did her a good deed. Oh, hallelujah, hallelujah. One afternoon, as I cycled into town, I passed a female nudist wearing nothing but a frown. Well, now what could I do? I had to stop her for a while. You see, it's part of my work to change each frown into a smile. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Oh, yes, as I look among you, my brethren and sistren, I am flushed with the feeling of what shall I say, gratitude? Yes, gratitude that I have been able to service some of you. Oh, let me rephrase that. Flushed with gratitude that I have been able to do some small service to some of you. For some of you. The look of contentment and satisfaction indicates that my message has got through to many of you. And I will not rest until I have been face to face with all of you, so that we may look at temptation together and put it behind us. Think of me as your spiritual guide, your scholarly bespectacled mentor. I say this to every lady in the congregation. And as for the men, do the best you can. And now to continue my series of little parables. One night while watching a concert in the park, all the lights went out and we were left there in the dark. Everyone was shouting, raising Cain to beat the band. Even I was nervous till I took myself in hand. Oh, hallelujah, hallelujah. As head of the parish, I crowned the village queen, a beautiful young maiden who was only 17. The choral society was singing in the pub, and as their choir master had to put her in the club. Oh, hallelujah.